Are you using a Lyca prepaid SIM and want to know all the important USD codes? In this video, I'll show you every Lyca USD code step by step.
You'll learn how to recharge, check your number, balance, and data balance easily.
Let's using this USSD codes Lyca prepaid users. Watch full tutorial.
To check your Lyca mobile number, dial *132# and press call. To check your Lyca prepaid balance, dial *131#. To check your internet data balance, dial *137#. To recharge using a voucher, dial *131* PIN number hash, then press call. USSD codes may change slightly by country, but these are the most common Lyca prepaid codes.
That's how you can check all Lyca prepaid USSD codes. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you need more SIM card tutorials.
USSD codes may change slightly by country, but these are the most common Lyca prepaid codes. If needed, Lyca internet packages. Let's see. Next video watching.